we are assembling the Apple envelope box card. So I have a few of the pieces already done. So I'm going to go ahead and pull in the inserts here and work on these for a minute. This one here with the two smaller apples, this is the back insert. The color of your base piece will also be the color of your apple stems. So you need to plan that out accordingly. I'm just going to fold that on the score lines. And then I'm going to pinch my leaf here a little bit. So there's that piece. Now for the other apple. And the leaves for the apples are shaped a little bit different than the other leaves. That's how you'll be able to tell it from the others. And then again, fold your tabs. Now I'm going to pull in the card base. And I am going to put these together. I've put on my outside panels already. And you want to take that up just right to the score line. And then I'm going to open this up. And on the inside, I'm going to put on the back liner. This is for the sentiment on the back. And then these apple blossoms are going to go here on the front of the card. And I'm just going to line up my leaf here with taking this curve up to the edge. I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to put those flowers right there. And for the front flower, I'm going to pop it with some foam tape. So first I want to see how far in my leaves need to be. Not very far. I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the tip. I'm going to put my foam tape on the box part so that I know it's not sticking over the edge. There we are. Okay, so that part is done. Whoops. And now I gotta try to get it off. Darn it. Because I forgot to put this piece on. So this lines up to the bottom edge and side to side. To make sure I get that foam tape again below the edge there. Okay, so now for doing the inserts, I'm going to put glue on my tab. And I've got it laid out flat, and I am gluing it here to the side of the box. And I'm going to do the front piece the same way. Stand it back up. Glue that in place. Okay. So I had a little bit of glue that went over the edge and it stuck it to the back one. So you do have to be careful of that. Try this again. It was crooked. Make sure I'm not gluing those together. come over to the other side and put glue on your tabs. And with this laid down flat, you're going to bring it over and glue your tabs. Fold it both ways to get your card folding. Now we're going to glue this tab to close it up. And there is your Apple envelope box card. Thank you for joining me.